Hey guys, Aim here. So first of all, happy April Fool's Day. And second, what I have here is this, this bootleg Lego set that I found from, well, let's just say, Five Below. Five Below has some really strange things, but it does have some Fat Mojo stuff. If you guys heard. So what I have here is a snap and switch set, and it's usually from the game Stray. So what I have here is a stranding cat. So let's review him. So here's the cat. It's all built up and, well, I just realized I forgot to put on the whiskers on, so I put them on right now. Well, yeah. So the possibility here is just the arms and legs and their feet and their lower legs is. So like this. What the heck is going on? You can't even move it really good. It's like a stopper. What's going on with this thing here? Oh. Well, you can't really move the legs. Okay. You can't really move the legs like this because it really doesn't really go like this far. And the legs, well, they can bend more. And if you try to stand them up, well, you'll realize the head isn't bendable because it's just a head Lego. Not a head Lego, but it's put on in structure like this, so the head doesn't move. So about the set, this Lego set. Anyway, the downside is it's really fragile, kind of fragile. You can see it's hard to put on it. And the stickers are really peeling off, so you might have to figure out how to stick them on. So you gotta keep that in mind. The whiskers use claw pieces. They didn't do eye pieces for these eyes. They didn't do any printing or stickering. You get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stickers in this set. The tail is movable. It's fragile too, because it's parted literally, like, I don't know. So the ears, they're these pieces that. Sorry, bless you me. Anyway, the nose uses this piece, and I don't know. Anyway, for the legs and feet, not really much to say, but they do have some possibility, except for the head. It doesn't move up and down or left and right. So it's real fragile. So you gotta be careful before building this. You gotta be careful while building this, because it could be fragile. Let's go to the box. So with this box here, it's literally both sided. So yeah. except for the top and the bottom. That's it. So for the stickers, this, I, it's not really much to say here, because stickers are just stickers. In the instructions, well, you get this. Just really much standard. My bad, guys. Okay. Okay, so here you have it. The Lego Stranding Cat from Stray toy review. So this is one of my first toy reviews here now. One of my toy review videos. So yeah. Thank you. And also, if you check the game out, you'll realize it's just this game. It could be really boring, by the way. So, goodbye.